Hello friends, in this video we will go through some interesting MCQs related to various instrumental parts of atomic absorption spectroscopy. So the first of all, what is the function of flame or emission system in atomic absorption spectroscopy? So there are four options. First of all, to split the beam into two. So splitting of beam is done by splitter, while the second option is to break the steady light into pulsating light. Yes, so the conversion of steady light into pulsating light is done by the other part in this atomic absorption spectroscopy called as chopper. So this is not our right answer. Then to filter the unwanted components. So this is done by the filtering system, or you can say the monochromators. And the next one is to reduce the sample into atomic state. Yes, so this is the correct option we should be supposing. And why this is the correct option? Because with the help of this flame or emission system, what happens? The sample is introduced inside the flame, where it gets converted into the form of sample vapor, and this sample vapor, because of the thermal energy, gets converted into atomic form. So that's why option number D, that is to reduce the sample into atomic state, is the right answer. Then moving to next question, that what is the other name for atomic absorption spectroscopy? That is absorption flame photometry. So yes, and so in this case, we are having a true or false. So among them, the statement is true. Why? Because in case of atomic absorption spectroscopy, the sample is spread inside the flame. That's why we call it as absorption flame photometry. So your option number A is the correct one. Then in the next question, which of the following is not a component of the emission system in flame photometer? So we are having four options. Each are having different functions like burner, atomizer, fuel gases and their regulation. While in case of this flame photometer, chopper is not required. We don't require to convert the light into the pulsating form. So this is not the component of flame photometer. Rather, it is the component of the atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Yes. Your next question is, which of the following is the function of the atomizer in the emission system of atomic absorption spectroscopy? So among these four options, option number C, that is to break the large mass of liquid into small droplets, is done by atomizer, while the other parts like splitting the beam into two, that is done by the splitting system splitter. To break the light into a pulsating form, so that is done by the chopper, while reduction of sample into atomic state is done by the thermal energy, by the flame system. So that we have seen in the earlier question. So option number C, to break the large mass of liquid into small drops, is the correct option for atomic absorption spectroscopy's atomizer part. Then in the next question, which of the following is not a fuel used in flame photometry? So among these four options, acetylene, propane, hydrogen and camphor oil, option number D, that is camphor oil, is the odd one out, and the rest are the commonly used fuels along with some oxygen supply uh, to burn the fuel. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe.